Let's visit new outlet of Ringsy Vegetarian.
And they have like fake shark fin and some bean curd and mushroom. Wow, so hot. So premium here. They even have the fake shrimp.
Crispy chicken.
I show you what is this. Come hear the sound. Can you hear?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'll show you what's inside. This is
This has a feeling.
cucumber, sweet sauce, this is also cucumber, is also bread spread. Very creative.
So smart.
Then I think it's more veg. I put 2 layers. So looking forward, it's my first time eating this. Just to see, no need right?
Can wait one second. Okay.
So this is rabbit veggie, it's not too far. Before I was vegan, I know the baby pork. They really not like so real, so crispy, and you can tell there's a layering of the crispiness, especially the skin is thick and crispy. This is so special. I never eat this anywhere. It's just here. Exclusive in Ringsy. I'm so happy I found tasty food. This is the first time I eat this. Even though I wasn't a fan of baby pork last time, it's so cruel. Because it's the baby. I'm sorry, but it's just so crispy. You just don't imagine you're eating baby pork. I must say.
Rate it 1 out of 10.
30.
What?
You borrow me hand and leg.
I can't use leg. This food.
It's more than 10 because this is out of the world. How do alien count? You tell me. Look, there's the thick skin on top. And then this is that's why it's so crispy. Wow, they really mock until like so real.
Okay, that's so nice.
Wow, this one look like sotong. What is this?
Looks like real sotong.
Yeah.
That texture. So artistic.
What else in here?
They have peanuts. They have celery. This is celery. Exploding with flavor.
It's so crispy yet the sauce is exploding with flavor. They have all the crunchy veggies there. Peanut, bell pepper. The chef is very skillful. And they make it no spicy. So refreshing. The celery also very good. It's not like the konjac jelly kind of sotong. It's a bit chewy, yet it's crunchy also. Really like sotong. Oh my god, this is so good with rice.
Cut the food up.
Okay. Concentrate. This is so good, right? It's been a long time I ate bean paste sauce. Wow, can you hear the sound? Come hear the sound.
Wait,
Don't know can hear or not.
cannot.
Okay. Push.
Okay.
Wait lah. Inside is dark. So many dark. Wait lah, my hand is shaking. This is dark.
Duck? What? Stuff with lots of duck.
Yeah, with
Ready?
bean curd. Okay.
Go.
In a place with these vibes, with the background music, it's so zen bamboo. And bamboo house. We are also eating very zen with the heart. First, we smell. Let the smell wash your soul. Now that you're calm, you take a first bite elegantly. It's a bit like the smoky taste, like the smoky duck. Still have smoke, even though we put so long.
Wow.
Traffic light, capsicum, yellow, green, red. This one very good. It's like a bit burnt at the side.
Yeah, it's a bit burned at the side, char grill. Wow, okay.
The natural sweetness from the mushroom. I'll eat traffic light. Refreshing, it's not too heavy. 我不说，我不看，我不听。
So what? The seashell spoon is Samaria. Where's Samaria?
Wow, jelly too shaky.
Oh yeah. Hot dessert, cold dessert on a hot day. It's so good. Shiny, look at it. It's glimmering. Gomu gomu na. Gomu.
Oh, it's sweet and bitter. You know, good thing for bitter, it means it's real herbs. It's bitter and sweet.
LOL.
Just like our life, don't you think so? It's okay. At least it's balanced, you know. If just bitter is not good. If just sweet also not good. No challenge in life. Then your life will be like straight line, you know.
It's like exam. If you don't study, you can get more challenge.
Yeah, that's why I do last minute study.
Okay. This shop,
It's so cute.
yeah, this shop have so many artistic elements. Look at it, it's so cute what they put inside. What's this?
酱
What's jam?
sauce.
Sauce. I think soy sauce. Which is your favorite dishes? The sotong and the duck.
I personally don't eat sotong,
Okay.
but it's my first time like sotong so much because I don't know how to make the taste is so good.
It's on the new branch opening.
Again?
Okay.
Okay.